this will be my first time trying the Tangle Teezer. So I am going to use the Tangle Teezer two ways. So I'm going to start by holding it like this and just it's actually very smoother than I thought. I'm kind of surprised of how smooth it is. I mean, there's some hair in the brush, but there's very little. And after you get that first good pass, it's just smooth all around. The first way I used it like this. But now I'm going to use it straight up, like this. The brush is actually amazing. It did better than what I actually expected. The one thing I have to do is I have to get my hair in smaller sections, because I used to use this white tooth comb and I could detangle bigger sections. But however, this one, I have to section my hair in smaller section, and I get like a better, my hair is better detangled. However, this one I can do bigger section, but because the teeth are so wide, there are some tangles that could be left behind. And then one thing that I realized with these two sections that I have, I just saw like a little bit of shed hair, which is nothing like too much more than my usual shedding. So this is good, and my hair does shed a lot, so this is actually very little for that section, for that little section. So I'm really pleased with it. I am so glad I finally tried the Tangle Teezer. I decided to try like this because I did make a video on the paddle brush, which I moved the paddle brush in this position and it gave me, it seemed to have gone smoother. So I don't know, I guess it depends on the individual. Probably because I'm not used to holding it, because this is like my first time trying it. I guess with more practice it will get better. But it seems like once it's completely detangled, it just runs through very smoothly. Okay, it's a little bit dark in here because I'm filming at night. But however, I'm back with my final thoughts on the Tangle Teezer. Plus I did go back in and try to do a comparison on my wide tooth comb. So one of the things I noticed when I tried to detangle a section with this, I noticed how painful it was. I never realized that wide tooth comb was that painful because it was the only thing I always used. So this was really painful. And this one, no tugging, no pulling. So this Tangle Teezer could actually be good for children as well, as this one was really hurting me. And one of the things that I noticed is with a wide tooth comb, because it's so wide, it kind of detangles, but the shed hair stays in, as the teeth are not fine enough to pull the shed hair out. However, the Tangle Teezer pulls the shed hair out. And this is all the total amount of shed hair I got throughout my entire head. And this is not abnormal for me. I demonstrated, for me to use this Tangle Teezer, I have to go in smaller section where I can do bigger section with this. And I need to really saturate my hair with conditioner, or I will not be able to use this. However, because I had to make smaller section, this is more time consuming, so I will reserve this for like spa day, on days where I really have a lot of time to pamper myself. Please let me know your thought down below. If you have used the Tangle Teezer, how did you feel about it? Share with me so I can see other people's experience, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.